Now every female in India now knows उन दिनों में बहुत सावधानी बरतनी पड़ती है. They know that savdhaani means maintaining hygiene, and for that they use sanitary pads and tampons, all thanks to the awareness and advertisements. Although beneficial, one major challenge regarding these products is that disposing them gets very difficult. Since the world is moving towards sustainability, there is a better alternative to these products. This alternative is also known as a menstrual cup. Let's see what a menstrual cup exactly is and how it works. All about menstrual cup. We all know that menstruation is the process in a woman of discharging blood and other material from the lining of the uterus. Through this process, the body biologically prepares itself for pregnancy. However, during this process, maintaining hygiene is a must. The menstrual cup does that with great efficiency. A menstrual cup or a period cup is a small, flexible, funnel-shaped cup made up of rubber or silicone. It is designed to insert it into your vagina during your periods. It collects the discharged blood instead of absorbing it. You can only reap the maximum benefits of a menstrual cup only when you select the appropriate size. Let's see how we can select the size. Now, for selecting the apt size, you need to consult your gynecologist. You and your doctor need to consider certain factors before selecting one. These factors include your age, length of your cervix, type of flow you have, firmness and flexibility of the cup required. You also have to check the strength of your pelvic floor muscles. You need to also consider whether or not you have given birth vaginally. Once you check all these factors, purchase the cup on the doctor's recommended size. Remember, the different brands sell different types of sizes. Hence, once you purchase a cup of a particular brand, take it to your doctor to recheck. Sonora, PSafe, Namya, Sanfe, iCare, Sannap, Diva Cup, Lunette are some of the popular brands. Firstly, you need to wash your hand and then sterilize the cup for 2 to 3 minutes. Then apply water or water-based lube to the rim of the cup. Then you need to tightly fold the cup half. Make sure you hold it in with one hand with the rim facing up. After this, insert the cup into your vagina with the rim up. It needs to rest a few inches below your cervix. Once it is inside, rotate the cup. Due to this, it will spring open to create an airtight seal which will stop the leaks. Along with wearing, you need to understand the process of how to take out the cup after 6 to 12 hours of using. At first, you need to wash your hands thoroughly. Then place your index finger and thumb into the vagina. Pull the stem of the cup till you reach the base. Pinch the base to let go of the seal. Then pull down the cup. Once the cup is out, empty it in the toilet. Then wash the cup and sterilize it once again. Now there are quite a lot of advantages of using menstrual cups. पहली बात तो काफी सस्ता और safe है. Secondly, it holds more blood and can be reused for at least 6 more months. It is much better for the environment too. With these benefits, you can definitely try wearing one. But before that, do not forget to consult your doctor.